As you can see on the screen, no-code tools can supplement your ideation process quite a lot by being able to scale the implementation and make it more persistent and accessible for the focus group that you have. Because on the next step, once you improved your idea and worked on all of the details required to get from end to end, you would definitely need to test that idea. And testing requires some kind of infrastructure, while working on the workflows are reusable in any CLI of your preference. If you start in one environment, you can easily switch to a different one because all of the context is actually kept inside of the artifacts produced by the workflows. And the same artifacts are used in this specific case by Claude CLI to produce some n8n artifacts later that you can scale. And the major advantages that you can keep in mind of no-code tools comparing to CLIs is the amount of integrations that you can have and the ease of scalability as well, and persistence that can run 24/7. And while your n8n container is running, your focus group can test your product ideas and you can collect feedback based on that. And of course, error handling, retry logic, branching, all of that is integrated already into the no-code tools, as well as the self-hosting, governments, whatever you prefer. You're going to see that, for example, in this specific case, I'm running n8n locally, but not directly, but as a Docker container on my machine. And still, there is no problems with getting access to any of the local resources on the computer or some remote resources on the web. And of course, a big advantage also is that some of the monitoring, auditing, and logging tools are already integrated into that. And with CLIs, you just have to keep that in mind, ask to produce it for your own needs, and spend time that you would not really need to spend on that. And of course, mixed content processing as well. And any data sources are easily attached because it's the whole idea of those no-code tools. I just want to highlight again that it doesn't replace the context engineering workflows in any case. It actually supplements and helps you to move from the ideation process to experimentation process, where you can build a scalable MVP and deploy it as fast as just like pressing a few buttons and giving access to your target audience to start validating your business ideas.